Want a little more privacy while using Facebook? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your active status in just a few simple steps. It's quick, easy to follow, and works whether you're using Android or iPhone. Open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to disable active status. Next, tap the menu icon. If you're using an Android phone, you'll usually find it in the top right or left corner of the screen. On an iPhone, it's typically located in the bottom right corner. From the menu, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy to expand the options. Then select Settings. Now scroll down until you reach the Audience and Visibility section. Here tap Active Status. You'll see an option labeled Show when you're active. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn it off. If Facebook asks you to confirm your choice, tap Turn Off to save the change. That's it. Your active status is now disabled, which means your friends and contacts won't see when you're currently online or recently active. Keep in mind that when you turn off your own active status, you also won't be able to see the active status of other people. It's a privacy feature that works both ways. If you ever want to appear online again, you can return to the same settings page and switch the toggle back on at any time. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you quickly turn off your Facebook active status. If it did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more simple Facebook tips and easy to follow tech tutorials.